There's a building here, as I said. That's a commercial unit there. Behind the back there is a tile company. So you've got a building here. That one there used to be a mortuary. That one's a worship centre, a terraced house. This should be a terraced house. You've got a row of terraced houses there, all there. So this is the property here. Let's walk down the side, show you that. Really run down, just left here, starting to deteriorate. You got garden up the side, that's the neighbour's wall. It's quite a long building. Think of like a long sort of garage aspect all the way up, right down the back. I'll give you a quick look inside as well. Bear with me. So you can see it goes right down the back. You'll see how long it is now when I open this door. So inside it's got a new roof on. It's got new Velux windows all the way down. Literally you can see through there. I'll get up in a minute and show you. It drops down like a bit of a basement, so quite high. Basically shell, like a long garage. So here we are inside this lovely building. Let's have a look around. So that's where I walked in when I was showing you before. As you can see, quite a big open space. All new roof's been done, joists, fabric, Velux windows, all the way down. All the way down to there. So let's just see, Velux, 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 all the way. So what would you do with a building like this? Have a look down here as well. So I'm thinking of maybe part of a basement conversion, maybe, as an idea. So have a look down there. And literally see where the old doorway used to be. You'll see at the corner there, the old doorway. What it does, drop down. So yeah, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. What would you do with a building like this? All the way down, really, really big. So if you think of a long sort of garage industrial unit, how would you work with this? Nice big beams. You got a shutter door there, windows all the way down. Blockwork's been done again for creating an internal cavity. So a lot of work's been done on this building. So let me know, what would you do with a building like this?